Let's talk lending. Are you smart? Are you creative? Are you well decided or a decisive buyer? Then the renovation loan product may be the perfect solution for you. If you buy a house that has a great location and good bones in the house, then you can close on that house and then work on creating your renovation or your repair plans as a refinance. And you can do a renovation loan as a refinance. So you can go ahead and acquire the house and then work on the plans required to renovate that house within the next 3 to 4 months after you actually acquire the house. And that way you can stop the clock on the purchase contract and take the pressure off the transaction. If you would like more tips on how to structure a purchase renovation and or to acquire a property and then do renovation lending as a refinance, I'd love to have that conversation with you. DM me your questions or call me and let's chat about your steps to own your next home.